Yeah, what's up, my subscribers? For my ceiling fan channel, this is my neighbor's house, but they currently move out, so the landlord is looking for a place. Tomorrow or sometime in today, he's going to let me inside. I'm going to record this unknown ceiling fan. I don't know the name of it. Well, I'll try to zoom in. Four bladed, but I do not know the name of it. That's one ceiling fan. Let me come in the back of the house for you. And next one over here, it looks like he lost the light kit. I mean, not the light kit, but the globe. This kind of looks like a what you call it? A Caribbean co, but some of the Caribbean codes I see down here, because I live in the Caribbean, have cane blades, but this one don't. But they have a third one. I try and catch a view of it, but it's way too far back. Now let me see if I could catch the fifth one. The apartment in there is kinda small. Let me see if he left the. It's not open. Oh, and there we have a neck ceiling fan. It's a Hamptons Bay. I wish still have the globe, the roundish globes, the blades, a hugger. When she left this place in a bad state. Tomorrow I'm going to try to turn them on to check the speeds.